I'm Athena from Meticulous Ink, and today I'll be showing you a very simple origami fold. So this is what we use for our origami maps. So we do lots and lots of maps for wedding invitations and party invites and things like that. And this is our most popular map fold. So I'll just show you a few examples of things I've done before. So this is a very lovely map to the Botanical Gardens in Bath, which is a very beautiful place. And it just opens like this, and it's very, very satisfying. So it's very, very simple and yet very effective. So I'll just show you here as well. So it just adds a bit of interactivity to any invitation. Yeah, like this. So it's a really simple fold, and we've done quite a few over the years of different things like this. Here's a lovely blue one we did, which is very nice, and it uses a square piece of paper, and we've also used it in the past for information sheets as well, like so. You can fit a lot of text on there, and it's really nice for information as well, because it just is a bit more interesting than just doing an A4 printed sheet. So I will show you how to do this now. So first of all, we need a square piece of paper. It doesn't really matter what size, as long as it's square. So it needs to be the same on all the edges. First and foremost, we're going to fold it in half. And of course, for this, we're going to use our trusty bone folder. So we can use our bone folder to just get a nice crispy edge, like so. So once we've folded it in half, we're going to open it and then fold it in half again in the other direction. So we're now going to turn it and then fold it again. And again, I'm using my bone folder down the middle and outwards for that nice crispy edge. So then we need to open it up again, and then we're going to turn it over, and then we're going to do a fold in half, but diagonally this time. So we're going to have this corner go all the way up to this corner, like so. So that is all in line, and we're going to use our bone folder to squish that there as well. So now if you open that up and just poke that fold in the center, then you should see it wants to lift up on those two corners where the fold is. So this then becomes the inside. Amazing. And then you just flatten the top. And there we have our very simple map fold. Ta-ding! Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed that very simple map fold. Do leave a comment below and let me know how you get on and what kind of things you're going to create with your lovely new origami skills. Do subscribe, and you'll get to see lots more tutorials and things. And I hope you enjoyed today. Thank you.